In view of this, developers from all over the world release various kinds of tools to ensure anonymity to their users. This is exactly what the Gologin developers did. Gologin is an anti-detect browser that allows you to create a new digital identity, digital fingerprint that all sites perceive as a real person, and such internet personalities can be created as many as needed in one service. This browser allows you to customize all user parameters that sites see. You are creating a new internet personality. This functionality allows users to avoid various kinds of blocking. In a word, the Gologin browser allows users to have complete control over their surfing the internet. Compared to competitors, Gologin provides its users with lower price, and it's also possible to create a custom plan. Gologin even has a permanent free subscription. Let's move on to the process of launching and using the browser. You can use the browser in two ways. The first is by downloading the desktop version of the Gologin browser, and the second is in the cloud. The ability to run through the cloud is another advantage of Gologin, since you don't need to download anything and you can start using the browser immediately after registration. Also, launching through the cloud increases the degree of anonymity, which is an important factor today. After registering on the site, we will see the Profiles control panel. Click on Create Profile. Next, we enter the name of our new profile. I also want to note that when creating a new profile, we create a new internet identity, which allows us to remain anonymous on the internet. Next, select the type of connection. Here we can choose our proxies or choose a ready-made proxy Gologin proxy service. It's worth noting that Gologin provides this proxy service completely free of charge. Next, we need to select a country. Let's take Canada as an example. This completes the basic setup of our new user, but you can go to more advanced settings, for example browser type, operating system, language or resolution, and make the user more customizable. For example, I leave these settings at their default. Next, click Create Profile. In the list of profiles, we see the profile we just created with the status ready. We click Run and pop-up window appears when we can either launch the browser in the cloud or download the browser itself and use the application. I'll probably launch the browser in the cloud by clicking on Run. Then we wait a few seconds for the browser to tune in and launch all the necessary components for full work. After completing the configuration, we can already launch the browser by clicking on the View button. We see that a new window opens with the Gologin browser. Here we can also open various pages, log into services and do whatever you need in the anti-detection browser. Initially, the browser opens a page with all information about our connect. Next, go to the site we need and copy the cookie value. We return to the control panel and in the menu of the profile we need, click on Import Cookies. Pass the cookie value we copied into this window. That's all. The pricing policy of the service is very flexible, since here you can find affordable plans for any tasks. In addition to the 7-day trial version, you will also have 5 types of plans available for purchase. First comes forever free, and as the name suggests, it's always free, and you don't have to pay for it. It only allows one user to be created, and this plan does not have REST API access and digital fingerprint configuration capabilities. This plan will suit journalists or developers. Next up is the Easy plan, which provides the ability to create a maximum of 3 users, up to 10 digital fingerprints, and costs only $5. This plan is suitable for those who want to test the service for little money. Next up is the Professional plan, which provides 100 users, 1000 digital prints, a REST API, and costs just $49. This plan will suit most users who want to fully use the anti-detect browser. The fourth business plan is well suited for companies. It provides 1000 users, REST API, and configurations up to 5000 per day. The plan costs $99 and it's very convenient to work with a large team with this plan. And the last plan is called Enterprise and costs $199. It includes 1000 users, REST API and digital configurations up to 2000 per day. The developers also run an English and Russian language channel where there are video instructions on how to work with each function of the service and integrate with third-party services. For example, on the channel you can find a video that explains step by step how to use cookies in Gologin, how to mask the time zone, check the security of an internet connection, how to use WebGL, videos with integrations with various services and many other video tutorials useful for the browser. With the anti-tag browser Gologin, you can use multiple accounts of affiliate programs to prevent risks. It's also useful for safe work with e-commerce, analysis of advertising campaigns, choosing the best prices regardless of your geolocation to bypass the blocking of various resources in your region and in many other areas. You deal with credentials and geolocation. On the Gologin website, in the blog section, you can find interesting and useful articles on various topics related to the browser itself and about other topics of internet security. If you suddenly have questions about the browser, you can easily find various guides with detailed step-by-step explanations. Today the Gologin anti-tag browser is trusted by about 20,025 million profiles have been created. Therefore, I think there is no need to adopt this product, since the guys really know their business. By clicking on the link in the description, you can purchase a free trial version of the anti-tag browser for 7 days. All other interesting links will also be in the description. Goodbye.